Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. So SBI Clerk notification is out and I know that now you guys are looking for a video where you can get the complete strategy that how to prepare for general awareness and how this particular exam is going to be different from IBPS PO or SBI PO. Maybe you got the feedback from the previous student that GA in SBI Clerk is going to be different. So how it is going to be different, I'm going to share with you in this complete video. So watch till end to get the complete information about it. General awareness is going to come up with 50 questions and 50 marks, 35 minutes, which you cannot utilize in any other section. You need to use 35 minutes only in these 50 questions only. It's a good part. Last year, if we will see that last year SBI Clerk Mains exam was conducted on 15th and 16th of November. And questions in the examination, majority of the question, like around 70 or 75% of your question paper was from the month of June to October, only 70 to 75. Remaining 25% questions they even asked from the month of December 2024 to the month of May 2025. It means the questions were mixed even from the month of December 2000. There was one question actually. One question came from December 2024. Around two questions were from January 2024 when exam was there. Not 24, January 2025 when the exam was in the month of November 2025. तो जनवरी के भी एक दो क्वेश्चंस आए थे, दिसंबर लास्ट ईयर के भी एक क्वेश्चन था. So like this they ask from everywhere which make examination difficult compared to other. जिसने एग्जाम को जीए को डिफिकल्ट बनाया compared to the other SBIP or IBPS PO examination. This year the expected dates of examination will be 14th or 15th of November. Even it is possible that on the 7th of November also exam can be done. So we can take 7th of November as well as the expected examination date. You can write in the comment box what do you think that on which date exam will be conducted. For that, anyhow we need to cover the current affairs properly from the month of June. June, July, August, September, October. June, July, August, September, October. These 5 months anyhow you need to do. You cannot go with 3-month concept for this examination. Otherwise, you need to drop the plan of this exam. 3 months concept will not work in this particular examination. SBI Clerk GA was not simply current affairs. It was a combination of current affairs, banking awareness, financial awareness, current affairs based static questions. Means static question from the current affairs. Like there was a national park in news. Question was there. National park located in which state? Like this type of question. Then plain static GK, government scheme, report and institution. These were the area. I'll give you clear idea which were the important months, what were the important topics, what are the important topics we need to cover this year. इस साल हमको क्या topics cover करने हैं. As our examination will be conducted in the month of November. Anyhow, we need to cover the current affairs. Last year की बात करें, so last year maximum number of questions were from September compared to October. From October, we have 3 questions. I'm talking about both the shift. Shift 1, shift 2 together. Out of 100 questions I'm talking about. Actually, I have an analysis of 95 questions. मेरे पास analysis है 95 question का. I have done a separate video also on the analysis part. So 95 question analysis it is. From the month of October, in one shift there was 1 question. In another shift there was 2 questions. But from the month of September, there were approximately 10 questions in both the shift. दोनों शिफ्ट में 10 क्वेश्चन आए थे. कहां से? सितंबर मंथ से. इट मींस दोज हु हैव प्रिपेयर्ड सितंबर मंथ प्रॉपर्ली लास्ट ईयर, दे वर एबल टू अटेम्प्ट 10 क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टली properly in the examination with the support of 1 month. This was the importance of this particular month. Then July, around 13 question, 7 question. So June, July and September. You will observe, see, it is not August, September. It was July and September. So July and September month, altogether there were approximately 17 questions in one shift. एक shift में approximately 17 questions थे. Then May month, again June is missing. So you will find an alternative. May, then June was missing, July, then August was missing, September, and then October was missing. So like this alternative month current affairs, they ask in higher weightage. So if someone prepared last 3 months, doesn't work. That is why I'm suggesting you at least cover last 5 months current affairs. इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूं last 5 months आपको cover करके जाना है. So at least 3 months from where the weightage will be high, you will be able to attempt it. समझ में आ रहा है मेरा पैटर्न क्या है? So 1-3-5 वाला रूल चल सकता है इस टाइम. ऑल्सो 2-4 रूल कैन ऑल्सो वर्क. we need to prepare at least last 5 months properly. Then we had one question from December also, February month one question, April month two question, March month two question, November 2025 three questions were there. Means from the month of November also questions were there last year. Exam was on the 29th of November. So like this also question came. Okay. One important thing, session is not over. If you want the PDF of this particular session, that sir I need the PDF, you can join this Telegram group. If you have any doubt regarding the preparation of SBI clerk, you can connect with me over the Insta also. PDF will be available in this Telegram group. Now, moving toward the topic, I have told you the strategy about the month. Which month were important last year? I'll give you the list of this year also. So most important topic was news of national and international importance. There were lots of questions regarding World Bank. Around 2 to 3 questions were there from World Bank. One question was there in both the shift from IMF, International Monetary Fund. So World Bank, IMF, ADB, IIB, all these we need to cover properly. FATF, Financial Action Task Force, UNESCO related questions were there. So questions from the international organization had very good weightage. Apart from that, news of national importance. Inaugurations in India, like PM Modi made any announcement, finance minister made announcement, these type of things, bills passed in the parliament, that type of question from the news of national importance. 21 question out of 100 I'm talking about, it means 95 I'm talking about. So 10 question in one shift, 10 question in another shift, like that I'm giving you a clarity. Banking and financial awareness, around 17 question. Again, two topic have approximately 17 questions together in one shift. एक shift में approximately 17 questions आ गए थे. So if you had the combination of like last 5 months, two topics, 17 question was possible to answer. अगर आपने last 5 months के two topics को in detail cover किया हुआ था तो, but 5 months anyhow. Government scheme, 14 question, 7 question each shift. Defense, science, technology, space, sports related questions were also there, 10 question, 5 each. Ranking and index also was very important last year. Ranking and index भी काफी important था last year. Places in the current affairs, that is static GK question from the places which were there in the current affairs. ऐसे question last year बहुत ज्यादा आए थे in the current affairs part. वो एक important topic था. Apart from that, every topic they have touched, every topic. Like there were few questions from important days, few questions from sports, FDA related एक question आ गया था, appointment related one question was there, some appointment was related to Japan related appointment पूछा था, not related to India. So one question was there. Almost every topic they have touched, means variety of the question. That is why the question paper was a little difficult. इसलिए थोड़ा difficult था. ठीक है? Now this was the analysis of last year. ये आपका last year का analysis था. Now this year I will suggest you spend maximum time on the current affairs. Cover at least 5 month current affairs in detail. 5 महीने का current affairs आप detail में करो. While preparing the current affairs, you need to remember that news of international importance and news of national importance are going to be very important. News of international importance, news of national importance. Along with that, index and ranking, these topics are going to be important. ठीक है, ये important topic होंगे. अब banking awareness की बात करें, sir, do we require to go for banking also? I would suggest you only 4 to 5 topic. Don't spend more time, especially for SBI clerk in banking awareness. These topics are going to be, first will be Reserve Bank of India. About the history of RBI, functions of RBI, deputy governors at present, governors at present, currency system of Reserve Bank of India, monetary policy committee, PSL, everything, banking ombudsman, integrated ombudsman, everything about RBI. RBI वाला पूरा कंप्लीट कर लो आप, एक टॉपिक ये हो गया. सेकंड टॉपिक है आपका मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट इज पेमेंट सेटलमेंट. पेमेंट सेटलमेंट मींस वेयर यू गेट द क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन यूपीआई, यूपीआई लाइट, यूपीआई सर्कल, NEFT, RTGS, IMPS, USSD. This is another topic. Last year also in the same examination there was a question based on UPI. UPI के ऊपर last time भी क्वेश्चन आया था. This second topic. Third topic होगा आपके पास check, because there are updates in the check topic. Continuous clearing of check is in process to get implemented from the check truncation system. तो एक ये topic हो गया. These are the 3 topic. After completion of these topic, 4 topic, you can complete accounts. Accounts topic में you need not require to cover everything, but BSBDA, basic saving bank deposit account, BSBDA is important. Second, NRI accounts you need to cover. NRI accounts, NRI bank accounts, that is NRO, FCNR, RFC, NRE, these accounts you need to cover because they are in the current. तो ये टॉपिक एटलीस्ट आपको अच्छे से कवर कर लेने हैं for the examination. After that, if you want, you can cover the financial market because related to bond there was a question last year also. तो financial market आप बाद में कर सकते हो, ठीक है? ये हो गया आपके important points. Now important months. That this year what are the months sir we need to cover? इस साल हमको क्या क्या months जो हैं वो cover कर लेने चाहिए. So see, last year the pattern was 135 pattern they followed. I would not make the wild guess that this year also we need to do 135. No, don't do that. At least last 5 months, October, September, July, June and May. July, June and May. So August, June, July, August, September, October. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. मैंने आपको 6 बोल दिए. Still, if you want to see, May से question आए थे last year. So मैं सजेस्ट नहीं करूंगा कि यू कैन स्किप द मे, एटलीस्ट कंप्लीट द मे मंथ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एमसीक्यूज. एमसीक्यूज में कंप्लीट कर लो मे मंथ्स को. रिमेनिंग इट्स ऑन यू. स्टिल दिस ईयर आल्सो यू विल बी एबल टू सी द क्वेश्चन बिटवीन जनवरी टू अप्रैल. ऐसा नहीं है कि जनवरी और अप्रैल के बीच में क्वेश्चन नहीं आएंगे. Around 20% of your question paper will come from January to April. But if you will focus on 80%, that will be more than sufficient if you are able to score 40% of the total in your examination. That is sufficient. अगर आप 40% means what? 20-22 marks out of 50. Do you think 20-22 is a decent marks or not? लगता है ना 20-22 ठीक है. So you should focus on 80%. 80% पे focus करो आप. 40%, 45% your target, that should be your final marks in GA. और हो जाएगा उससे काफी है, ठीक है. In the last, there are few schemes which are 100% there. Last year also they asked one question based on प्रधानमंत्री जीवन ज्योति बीमा योजना. इसके ऊपर क्वेश्चन आया था. What is the premium of प्रधानमंत्री जीवन ज्योति बीमा योजना? So these small saving scheme, सुरक्षा बीमा योजना, जीवन ज्योति बीमा. एक और क्वेश्चन था senior citizen saving scheme. Somewhere it is written senior citizen. So these two questions were there last year in SBI clerk means. ये दो क्वेश्चन थे last year. So these schemes, the list of these schemes, KCC, PIDF, Mudra, इनको cover करो. And one thing which is common for any exam, IBPS PO, SBI PO, RRB PO, IBPS clerk, RRB clerk, SBI clerk, any exam, bank means this data we need to cover. Inflation data last 4 to 5 months, GST collection data last 4 to 5 months, if possible 6, monetary policy update October, August 2026, budget 2026, MCQs, RBI circular last 6 to 8 months. So for SBI clerk you can skip this topic in detail. अगर आप चाहो तो SBI clerk एग्जाम के लिए RBI सर्कुलर पर थोड़ा सा आप पोस्ट ले सकते हो. रिमेनिंग टॉपिक यू नीड टू कवर. बाकी के टॉपिक आपको अच्छे से कवर करने हैं. Each and everything you can cover with the support of one batch. Hustle 3.2. Detailed current affairs targeted to your examination. Either you are preparing for PO or clerk or RRB. Every exam, one batch, including insurance examination, including housing finance, one batch. And best part is if you are from South India, you are unable to understand Hindi. That sir, I'm weak in GA just because I'm unable to get the good content in Hindi. Every content is available in English with the proper, detailed, easy language explanation. So you are able to follow it properly. Follow the batch, complete the content, revise the content with the support of MCQs, then practice with the support of quizzes. Within the batch, you have quizzes also. So cover with the support of quizzes. Price is almost 999 always at present because of the Freedom Fest offer. It is running at 781. You will be able to get around 750, 740. Like this, the price will be there for you after using the coupon code. All-in-one bundle PDF course is also available at 368 rupees. Started from this price, you can get it at the best possible price at present because of the Freedom Fest offer, Independence Day offer. And Supreme Pack of GA, where you can get my batch also, Hustle batch also. With that, you will be able to get your smart quiz, GA smart quiz, and optimum current affairs. Everything will be there at one place. If you want bundle PDF course also, that is for GA, you want optimum CA, smart quiz and batch together, price will be approximately 879 rupees. You can go for it. मैंने already बताया, you can get the PDF at this place. So get the PDF, connect with me over here if you have any doubt. Do not miss to like the session. Lots of research and time I have spent over this video. You might be able to see in 10 to 15 minutes, but I spent approximately 2 hours while creating this content. So please appreciate the efforts by putting one like or one comment. Thank you for joining the session. Take care. Jai Hind. All the best.